So, I chopped up 2 bananas. That's a half a cup of blueberries, a half a cup of blackberries, a whole cup of strawberries, and then a half a cup of peaches over here. And then I also have a half a cup of um, green grapes. So I'm trying to get a variety of colors in. So I'm going to blend those together and I'll let you watch and then I'll taste test it in front of you. Okay, so I'm going to split up some of these grapes because I'm going to have to do this in 2 blends because I'm not going to be able to do it all at once. But I'm trying to figure out a way to get more of my nutrition in throughout the day from all this fruit than I did yesterday because it was so hard. I was so full. I take it that I'll probably be full today. And I wasn't even hungry. It's almost 3 o'clock and I wasn't even hungry. So my fasting window is up in a few hours. And I'm trying to get in as much as I can during this time period. So let me put a little bit of these peaches in here. Okay. I went with some canned peaches because I didn't see any good peaches at the store. So I got some canned peaches, but everything else was fresh. And I've already washed it all, of course. I don't want any ice in it because I don't really like things really cold. So I might have to put some rice milk in this, just enough to make it move around. Okay, that looks nice and creamy actually. I didn't want it to have a lot of big chunks in it. So, that's what the first one looks like. Now I'm going to do it one more time, and I'll drink that one in a minute. I'll set this over here so you guys can look at how pretty that looks. Okay, and I'll do it one more time. I had the grapes in first, and then I put my blueberries. Now I know both consistencies will be slightly off because it was just a slightly different amount in each one, but I wanted to make sure I calculated how much it was all together. So I made sure not to just start throwing stuff in. This one, like this is really packed tightly already. I might have to do one more with that last little bit, and then I can kind of mix them together if I like. My hands are kind of messy. All right, while we watch that mix. One more glass out. I know I'm gonna make some smoothies for my kids later. I do that on occasions for them, especially in the summertime. But I hadn't made anything like this in a while. Alright, my last little set of stuff. And then I'll kind of pour the top of this inside between those other 2 cups. And then I'll try to eat the rest of my fruit. I also got, hold on. I don't think it's enough stuff in there, really. So a couple random facts I found out today. Now, I know that tomato is a fruit. What I did not know is that cucumber is a fruit. And so is okra. And what else did I find out was a fruit that I didn't expect? Cucumber, okra. It's another couple. I'll probably put it in the video and show you. But let's taste it. I'll taste the first one and see if it's... Oh man, that's fire. Let's see if this one tastes different. Okay, this one's more berryish, and this one has more of a banana flavor. Both of them are good. It's not super strong banana flavor, but it just leans more towards the banana, and this one leans more towards the berry. But I know that I had more banana in here, especially more of the riper banana ended up in this part. But I'm about to down both of those, and I'm excited to do so. And I know I can get in more calories. Okay, well, that was it for this particular moment. I'll talk to you guys a little later.